Hi, Ashley. My name is Tisha. You and I spoke the other day in regards to making a customized video for your website. So I thank you so much for your time for watching this video. I came across your website while I was doing research on companies in your area. So I just want to show you how your website is doing in comparison to your competitor and maybe just some tips on bringing in some extra business. So we'll talk about today will be content, citations, and backlinks. So first, to begin, content is anything that can be found on your website. So this could be any words, pictures, how the pictures are saved, and what's behind the pictures. Now, I do recommend having at least 1,500 words for the website, and then that way you can place keywords within the content that you currently have. So I do see that you're utilizing that. And then the next would be citations. Now, citations is anywhere your business name, phone number, and address can be found on the web. This also may be through Yelp, LinkedIn, Facebook. So anywhere we can find your company information. So the more citations you have, then the more business you'll bring in. The next will be backlinks. So backlinks are links that lead back to your business. It brings traffic back to your actual website. So these backlinks can be found again on the website I just mentioned. Um, but do want to just advise all backlinks are not the same. So you want to make sure you have very good quality backlinks. So for example, if you were to have a backlink coming from a restaurant versus a hardware store, then that may be a difference in how much traffic is generated from that backlink. Now, I just doing some research here. So I typed in here plumbing and HVAC in Vacaville, and it looks like you guys are coming in at number 2. So your number 1 competitor would be Bonnie Plumbing. So I want to just take a look at their website. Okay, so this is their website. Okay, so we're gonna just take a look at some factors of why they may be ranking a little bit higher than yours. So we're gonna be using a website called Ahrefs. This just gives a general view of how your website is actually doing. So I'm showing here, as I was mentioning, you guys have about 95 backlinks. So those are going to be those links referring people back over to your website. You guys are utilizing 274 organic keywords. And I did forget to mention, whenever you're looking at this information here, this is called an organic search. So this is where you guys are coming in at. And then this organic traffic that's coming in is bringing about 36 people coming to your website and generating about this much revenue. So these are just estimate. It's not 100% accurate, but this is going to be a good tool to kind of see how you're doing. Now, the next would be Bonnie Plumbing. So they're utilizing almost 6,000 backlinks. That's bringing in traffic to their website. They have over 524 domains associated with their business, and they're using over 7,000 keywords. This is bringing in about 3,600 people to their website and generating about this much in business. Okay, so I did just want to go ahead and again just show you, how you're performing the website, and again just tips on bringing in more business. Now, you're welcome to use these tips for yourself. If you like, and do these on your own to help improve your website, or if you do have more questions or you would like to talk further in regards to some of the information that I provided, my contact phone number is 916-378-9773. And again, I would love to hear back from you either way, just to provide some feedback on this video. Again, thank you so much for your time, and you have a good day.